Today, we're going to carry out an RCD test, but more specifically, an RCD test with the Fluke 1670 series multifunctional tester. If you are considering purchasing one of these testers, or already have done, this video sets out the process of how to do it. I'm Marc Sherwood from Fluke at the Pass Limited Training Centre in Teesside. Before we get started, I just wanted to advise that your unit should always be calibrated before doing testing. Leads are never damaged and an RCD is always safely accessible. To start with, we are going to connect our Fluke test leads, red to line, blue to neutral and green to earth. To perform an RCD test, select RCD test directly from the Fluke 1674FC's interface. Always ensure that you select the right appropriate RCD. Then choose the correct test current, typically 30 milliamps, and press test to measure the tripping time. Alternatively, using a preloaded test form from the TruTest software. Perform the test as guided, automatically assigning the results to the appropriate circuit position within the uploaded form. We have single measurements that can be taken individually, such as the half times, 1 times and 5 times tests. Or you can select the auto test function on the Fluke 1674FC, which automatically performs and collates all these test results. Once the tests are completed at the socket, results are populated directly into the TruTest form at the circuit level. This is indicated by 3 dots confirming all the results are captured. TruTest software then selects the correct measurements automatically for the certificate documentation in line with the BS 7671 standard. You've successfully completed an RCD test using the Fluke 1674FC. For further training and details, visit www.pass.co.uk.